All right, let's talk about trigonometry's most important numbers and where they actually come from.
You ever wonder why these specific angles show up everywhere? Well, let's dive in.
See, the secret isn't in your calculator. It's actually hidden inside some really simple shapes.
It all begins with this perfect shape, an equilateral triangle. Every single angle here is 60 degrees.
And now, for a little magic trick, we're going to slice it right down the middle.
And boom, this gives us a right-angled triangle with both the 30 and 60-degree angles we need.
Because it's a right-angled triangle, we can use Pythagoras' theorem to figure out all the sides.
You remember SOHCAHTOA, right? It's just a relationship between these different sides.
So for that 60-degree angle, what's the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse?
Turns out, it's the square root of 3/2. A precise value, no calculator needed.
Okay, so that covers 60 degrees. What about 45? Well, for that, we need a different shape.
This time, we're going to start with a simple square and slice it diagonally.
Just like that, we have two 45-degree angles. So now, finding the ratios is super easy.
And there it is. The sine of 45 degrees is 1 over the square root of 2.
All right, we've done the detective work. Let's get all of our discoveries organized.
Now, this isn't a table for memorizing. It's a summary of what you now know how to build yourself.
And if you look closely, you start to see these really cool patterns emerge. See that?
This table is basically a cheat code for solving problems without a calculator. Let's try one out.
Okay, this looks pretty intense, right? But really, it's just a substitution puzzle. We're going to break this down into 3 easy steps. Substitute, simplify, and solve. That's it.
First up, we just swap in the values for sine 30, cos 60, and tan 45. Next, we just handle the powers and the multiplication. See, it's just simple arithmetic now. And after all that, the whole thing just simplifies down to 1. Pretty neat, huh?
So what's the big takeaway? You can build these values, not just memorize them. That's the real power.
And it really makes you wonder what other huge mathematical secrets are just hiding inside simple shapes.